Today we're going to learn how to park your new 911. Now there's a few different ways to do this. One is park normally. That's easy, right? Another one is to use ParkAssist, which still has you in the car, but the car does all of the work on finding the spot and parking in it. And then there is remote ParkAssist, where you actually exit the vehicle and then control the parking process from the outside. As we begin the process, the system's actually going to look for a parking spot. Now, what it's looking for is a single spot in between two cars. This is how it manages how to get into the parking spot. It actually doesn't look at the lines at all. Now let's go ahead and begin the parking process. We're gonna find a parking spot. To do so, we're gonna select this icon here on the main PCM screen. And then here you can see this little pop-up. Now you can search left or right. Now, left will not find the spot on the other side of the lane. This is for one-lane roads. It will find it on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and find a parking spot. Okay, I see a parking spot here where there are cars on both sides and the spot is open. Let's see if the car picks it up, and there it did. So parking space is detected. Drive up further to start the parking process. It says decelerate the vehicle to a standstill. And we can start parking process or do remote parking. So for this step, we'll do the start parking process and watch what happens. I'm not touching the brake or the gas or the steering wheel, and the car is parking itself. You can follow along on the process on the screens here. We have our 360-degree surround view here, and I'm showing you what's going on the outside. And as you saw, the angle is a little bit too sharp, so it self-corrected. Now what's going to happen, it's going to go ahead and back into the parking spot. And once it gets it just right, it's going to shut off. And that will complete the parking process. Okay, before we go into the remote park assist function, let's talk about some of the things that are available here in your parking menu. Select the parking icon. You've got show surroundings, which we'll come back to. We've got obstacle warning volume, so this is how loud it is when your park assist is going off, showing you how close you are. You can also lower the volume of the infotainment while you're parking. You also have activating the front park view automatically. And so this is when you're parking nose in, it'll always put on the front camera there. You also have maneuvering assist, and this assists you with not running into stuff behind you. You have rear cross traffic alert, which is really quite good if you're backing out in a parking garage or parking lot situation. You don't have good visibility left or right. And you also have egress warner here at the bottom. This is actually going to show up in this little light at the door when something is coming by you on the outside, so you don't open your door out into it. So let's look again at our show surroundings screen. And this is also the screen you'll see when you're in the parking process. Now these top two are actually only active when you're in the parking process. However, these bottom two you can adjust now. And so we've got our screen here where you can see all the different camera views. You can kind of look down the line here and see if there's anything in the way when you're getting out. You can look across the front of the vehicle if you need to see if anything's in front of you. My favorite's down here at the bottom, where you can kind of take it and you can spin it all the way around with your finger and see everything that's surrounding the vehicle to make sure that nothing is in your way. That's great on visibility. All right, we're gonna pull out of the parking spot here and find another parking spot to try out remote park assist using the My Porsche app. Okay, we're gonna select the parking icon here again. Drive along here, it's found the spot. Follow the arrow until it goes away. Come to a standstill, and we're gonna begin the remote parking process. Going to undo my seatbelt, select the remote parking. Don't forget your phone. Okay, now we're gonna start the remote parking part of the process. I'm gonna open my Porsche app, and then here at the bottom, you're gonna have this little icon right here. Then we're gonna start remote parking. It's gonna connect to the vehicle. It's gonna be a start parking process, confirm. And then you're gonna press down and hold the drive now button. You'll hear the park and brake unlock. There it goes. And now the vehicle will start moving. You wanna move with it. You're gonna start walking with the car. As soon as you get close to the spot right here, you're gonna kind of step out of the way a little bit so it has full rein to be able to do its parking. And you basically hold it down until it stops. Parking is completed, and then you just select the in parking process button. The vehicle does a quick check whether the doors are closed, the parking brake is engaged, the vehicle is switched off, and the windows are closed. All right, we're all set there. You now have a wide variety of ways to park your new 911.